everybody, here's a beauty tip to help clear skin. Take a warm bath. Skin is the primary organ that senses external stressors. Heat, cold, pain, and when we're in stress, our body releases the stress hormone cortisol. And when cortisol is released, it triggers the inflammatory response that exacerbates atopic dermatitis, psoriasis, eczema, and the dreaded acne. Now, when you take a warm bath, you calm your nervous system, it improves your breathing, it relaxes your muscles, and it provides contentment. All of these things allows for greater relaxation, which lowers your stress level. Now, I want to show you a DIY recipe that you can do with things that you probably have at home in your pantry. Now, remember this ratio, 3-to-1. And that's the ratio we're going to use whether you're using measuring cups or whether you're going to use a measuring spoon like I'm using a tablespoon. So you're going to take 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Now I have pink Himalayan sea salt. And then the 1 of the ratio is 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then you're going to mix all of these together. You blend them well, get them nice and mixed together. And once they're blended well and all mixed together, what you can do is you can run this under hot water in a tub, sit and relax for an hour and help improve your skin.